Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Peacock streaming account to your smart TV for easy access to shows and movies, follow these step-by-step instructions to activate the service on your television. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to your TV's App Store. Search for the Peacock TV app using the search function in your App Store. Step 2. Download and install the Peacock app on your smart TV. Once the installation is complete, open the Peacock app from your TV's home screen or app list. Step 3. On the welcome screen, select Sign In if you already have a Peacock account, or choose Sign Up to create a new account directly on your Step 4. If signing in, the app will display an activation code on your TV screen. This code is unique and expires after a short period, so note it down quickly. Step 5. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and navigate to peacocktv.com/TV or the activation website displayed on your TV screen. Step 6. Log in to your Peacock account on the website using your email and password. If you don't have an account, create one before proceeding with the activation. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your TV into the appropriate field on the website and click Continue or Activate to link your account. Step 8. Return to your smart TV and wait for the app to refresh automatically. Your Peacock account is now linked, and you can start streaming content immediately on your television. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.